Using a sprayer to paint is convenient and fast. We're going to show you how to use a paint sprayer to get that fresh, updated look a new coat of paint brings to just about any surface. At the end, a list with all the supplies needed will be provided here. There are 3 common types of paint sprayers. Airless sprayers, great for large surfaces like interior walls and house siding. Pneumatic sprayers, which are often used for commercial and industrial work like motor vehicle body parts. And HVLP sprayers, which is the kind I'll be using, is ideal for detailed applications requiring accuracy and a smooth finish. Also, a good choice for touch-up work. With any kind of painting, preparation is key when using a sprayer. Cover the floor and any furniture with drop cloths or tarps to protect from paint splatter. Keep buckets on hand for mixing paint and rags to clean up any spills. Finally, always wear safety glasses, gloves, and a paint-specific respirator mask to protect from breathing any airborne paint. The sprayers work best with paint that flows smoothly through the sprayer's hose and nozzle without clogging. The lower the paint viscosity, the better. The paint sprayers work with all types of paints. If you're using a paint sprayer for the first time, practice so you're comfortable with how it works. Try vertical and horizontal spraying movements. Adjust the tip of the sprayer for a horizontal or vertical spray pattern, whatever suits your surface. Holding the sprayer close to a surface applies more paint and creates a narrower spray pattern. Holding the sprayer farther away creates a thinner coat and sprays a wider spray pattern. Depending on the project you're painting, you may need to prep it by pulling out drawers and removing hardware and hinges. As you paint, hold the sprayer a consistent distance from the surface and speed up or slow down as needed to keep it even. Regularly wipe the nozzle of the paint sprayer to prevent paint from clogging. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and clean the entire sprayer thoroughly after each project. Using a paint sprayer can shorten your paint time. And with a little bit of practice, you'll have the skills to pull the trigger and use a sprayer when you're ready to start your next project. Here are the tools and materials needed. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.